What's up, guys? Sorry it took so long to get another video out. Hope you had a great holiday. It gets kind of busy when holidays come around the house. You know, you got family coming in. But got another video for y'all guys. Black Friday came up and I saw a deal for some speakers for the Ford OBS, and I had to get some. The front speakers were going out. Actually, now they're both out. I don't have any front speakers. So I saw this deal. Let me show you what I got. This is what I got. I ended up getting the JBL 6 the JBL JX628. I had looked at these a long time ago on Best Buy, things like that. They're about $100. They had them on Black Friday for, let me say, they had them for 50 bucks on Black Friday. And for 50 bucks, I was like, you know what, $25 speaker, it's a pretty good deal. Let me try them out. The reviews are pretty good on them. They have a lot of bass in it and good sound. And it's just a truck that I just drive every once in a while, and I needed just something to put in there. And JBL, they usually have good quality speakers. So this video is just going to be me about installing them, reviewing them, see how they sound. From what I've heard, there's a bass break-in period. You have to have them about a month or so listening to them. The bass will start breaking and get a little bit better. So let me go ahead and show y'all guys me installing them, okay? Okay, so here's the speaker right here. Let me open this up for y'all. Comes with a grill protector, adapter if you need an adapter, and then a speaker. Build quality is pretty good. I mean, the ones that were here in the Ford, they were paper, and these are a little bit better. Like I said, what I've heard, these are pretty good quality and they have pretty good bass in them. So instead of using the spade connectors on these, I saw someone on YouTube. What they had done was they had removed the old speaker, and there's a clip on there. Now you can buy a clip adapter from Best Buy, about like 13, 14 bucks or so. You can buy the adapter that goes to spade to the clip that's to your Ford truck. But what I saw him do was he actually took it off, cut the wires off the old speaker, and then resoldered them on to these points right here. So that way it was all OEM. You didn't, have to have an adapter or anything. Plus the old speakers, what I liked about it was the old speakers that I have, they're already blown or they're not working. So they're gonna go in the trash anyway. So the good thing is I can reuse that clip and save yourself, whatever, 13. Sorry, we got traffic right there. Save yourself $13 or $14, with the bill. So that's what I ended up doing. I already got one done. This is it right here. Got the little adapter, got the speaker. These are 6.5 JBLs. So I already got this side in. I'm gonna put the door panel back on this side, and then what I'll do is I'll show you all on the other side how I did the soldering and how I put the clip on there and like that. It's pretty easy. It's not much work. You just gotta have soldering iron and some solder, and it's real easy and simple to do. And just like I said, it keeps it OEM, so that way, yeah, if you need to take them out, you can take the clip off, put it back, things like that. And like I said, those speakers were already trashed anyways. So let me go and pull off the other speaker, and I'll show y'all guys how to take off the clip and then resolder it onto the new speaker so you can put it on your door. All right, so I got the door panel off, got the screws out. These were just a Torx bit. I don't know if you can see it. Little Torx bit right there. So now we just need to pop it off. There it goes. All right, so here's the clip that you need to take off right here. This gray one, just pull it back. And then just pull it out. Kind of be gentle because these things are very brittle. There it comes. And then this is the clip that we're gonna desolder and remove. Basically, you just cut these wires off. So I'll show you. Cut that wire off, cut this lead off, and then there's a little clip inside here that you can lift up. You can break off. You don't really use it on the new speakers, but you lift it up and then it can slide out towards you. You just pry it that way, which I'll show y'all guys in the next clip. All right, so here's the speaker again. So I can move this light a little bit better for y'all. Yeah, it's kind of hard to show it, but there's a little clip in here, and this little groove. Just get a little screwdriver, and you pop it up, and then you're gonna pry it back. But first, we're gonna cut these little leads off right here. That one, and that one, so we're not tied to anything. And then we're gonna take this clip off and pry it forward. And I'll take another flathead and kind of slowly pry it. These clips are very brittle, so you can really break them. Then you'll need to go buy that adapter. Here she comes. Almost. And there's the clip right there. And that's where the clip goes into, that holds it in. And that's the clip on the bottom. I just broke mine off because we're not gonna use it again anyways. So here's the clip, and then we're just gonna solder it to these points right here. As you can see, the clip's a little wider than the contact point. So what we'll do is we'll bend them. What I did on the last one was, you could probably use some needle noses. I just went ahead and bent them all the way around. And bend this one. So there we go, I just bent them in. And now we're gonna solder them like this. They're a little bit more closer to the contact patch. Not sure if the GoPro's picking it up, but they're a little closer. You still gotta kind of adjust it a little bit, but they're closer than what they were before. So like this side, I just gotta pull it out just a little bit. Boom. That's looking pretty good right there. I'm just gonna adjust these more flat so it sits more. Yep, there you go. Now you don't want to really put it this way because you're gonna be in the way of the bolts and stuff like that. You're gonna want to put it right here up on top, kind of further away, and you'll have room in there, don't worry, to be able to put that clip in. Alright, so I got all the wires soldered on there, the clip. Now it's just time to install it back into the car and see how it sounds. Okay, I got it installed. Put the adapter plate on there, put the screws. Everything's looking pretty good, fits nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put the door panel on there. I'm trying to rush this because I don't know if you could tell, but it is starting to rain. You can probably see it on the windshield. It's starting to rain, so I'm trying to do it really quick and get it done and get y'all guys a video out. So let me put the door panel on and then we'll see how it sounds, okay? All right, we're in the truck. Got the door panels on. Speakers are in, put the other side door panel on. Sorry about the mess in the truck. It's just a work truck, so I don't usually drive it that much. But I do need to get a new aux cord. So this one's already fried. It cuts in, cuts out. These aux cords, I get them, don't matter the color or anything. I get these for like $1 at Target when they go on sale. This one was marked at $2.50, and then they give you another discount on top of that. So I buy a whole bunch of them when I see them on sale. All right, so I got everything all just set up already in the car. Got the aux in, got some music gonna play. Let's hear what they sound like.
Yeah. MD. JPB, it's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a back, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, Joe. And if you think I'm running, you can run it back, Joe. Run it back.
You know that I run it.
Sounds good so far.
I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night.
It does have more bass than it does usually, you know. I mean, the stock speakers are just trash. Let me see if I'm playing with the equalizer right now, see if I can get any more. Like I said, they do say that you get the bass, you know, more bass after a month of listening to it. If they break in, it's a break-in period supposedly. But right now they sound pretty decent. I mean, they got decent bass on them. But then again, I'm comparing them to just some stock Ford, you know, paper speakers that were blown and sounded really tinny. But I'm playing with the bass and let's see what it sounds like now.
Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know. This one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. MD. JBL. You already know, baby.
They definitely sound pretty good. They do got some bass, not that much bass, but enough bass for me. I mean, I just like a clear sound. I don't really like too much bass, but they sound pretty good for, like I said, $50. You can't beat that. It's $25 a speaker. You know, the GX 628, you know, they're not that bad. I mean, I like I said, you gotta remind yourself it's only 50 bucks for the speakers. They're regular 100, but 50 bucks. I mean, these are pretty decent. They're not that bad. You know, at Walmart, you can go get some duals, whatever, for 50 bucks or less, and they're probably shit. They're not gonna last you anything. So for 50 bucks, man, I'm pretty happy. It's a Black Friday deal. I'm glad I picked them up. I needed something in this truck. I'll probably, the back speakers are pretty good. I'll probably end up upgrading those two. Maybe some JBLs, also the same ones, but just I think those are 5x7s. In the rear, so I will update those probably later on. But right now in the front, I mean, it's mostly me just driving in here. And before these both speakers were out, I would have to turn up the rear just to hear anything, and it was just not even that good of a sound really. But they're sounding pretty good now. I'm pretty happy with the turnout for, like I said, 50 bucks. Can't beat that. Let me know what y'all think about it. I'm not sure. I turned it to the speaker a little bit to see if y'all can hear anything. Let me know if you could hear anything. I do got a sensitive microphone on it now. I'm not sure what the speaker quality is going to be on it, you know, but for my ears, they sound really good. And, you know, hey, it's something to enjoy, listening to music while you're cruising around, driving around, whatever you might be doing, you know. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Catch you on the next one. I do got videos coming out. I'm going to start knocking them out pretty soon because the next holiday is coming up, Christmas. and I want to get some videos out back to every week and get it going again. I do have some stuff, parts that came in for the truck. The lift already came in, so I want to do that. Some other stuff that I got that I'm gonna show y'all too. So we're gonna try to get back on the schedule every week, get a video out. It's just with the holidays, it is kind of tough, you know. You're cooking, you're doing things. Actually, I got some cooking tools for my smoker that came in, and I might do a video on that tomorrow, so you might see that one next week. Just testing out some equipment that I got. You know, it might not be your forte, but I wanted to get a video out there. Some people asked me just to review a product, so I want to go ahead and see how it is and give you my opinion on it. But that'll be it, guys. Happy holidays, and I'll see y'all guys on the next one. Later.